All right, guys, so this is going to be the first video on the channel here. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be reselling video games that we get. So I had actually a candy machine laying around, like a gumball machine, and I traded it up for this stuff. I'll show you show you guys what I got, and then I'll get it all posted up on eBay for the next video, let you know what we do sell, and kind of go from there and see what we can flip and into what. All right, so this is what we got trade-wise for our candy machine. We got an Xbox 360, two PS3 consoles. None of these have the cord, so I still got to test to make sure that they work before anything. Of course, I'll be selling them with the cables and making sure that they do work. Other than that, we did get a Wii with a couple of controllers in there as well. And here is the exciting stuff here. We got a whole collection of games that we get to post up. Tons of PS2 games. Let me know what your guys' favorite game in here is. But we got tons and tons of games. Grand Theft Auto 3, Dragon Ball Z, Need for Speed Carbon, Tony Hawk's Pro Skater, just tons of classics. Let me know what your favorite is in here, but I'll be posting all of these up. I do have single sleeves that I purchased to put these all in, and I'll be making separate listings for all of them. But we got pretty lucky with everything that we did get. We got some awesome games. Let me know what you guys think. We even got this too. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas Cities Guides. Some more games in here too. And then a bunch more games in here. We got tons and tons. If you want, I can go through all of this. Let's see. Brothers in Arms, Max Payne, Madden, Grand Theft Auto. I think this is a collector's edition one. But yeah, there's tons. But again, yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll be posting all of these. Let me know too if there's anything that you want me to like try to flip. I'm in the Arizona area. But or any other kind of content that you guys see. We're basically just going to be trying to flip stuff on the side and see what we can turn it into. That's the biggest goal of this. This is going to be the first video here on the channel. But yeah, we got tons of stuff. Once I do get this posted and I start selling some stuff, I'll keep you guys updated, let you know what we sold and how it's going. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment for more. Let me know exactly what you guys want to see, and I'll get it posted for you.